and welcome to ELITETV's top headlines. This is Manoharmayam Nancy giving you the latest updates. A protest demanding the identification of illegal immigrants and implementation of an NRC-like mechanism before conducting the national census was staged at Imphal Khairamban Market today, the 11th March, by the Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (JFD). Protesters, including vendors from Khairamban Imam Market, gathered in large numbers and attempted to march towards the Manipur Legislative Assembly while the assembly session was underway. However, heavy deployment of security forces prevented the demonstrators from proceeding further. In the heavy tussle, security forces resorted to firing of tear gas cells, in which 3 people reportedly sustained injuries. The agitators condemned the government's move to initiate the census exercise, alleging that it ignored long-standing demands for updating the National Register of Citizens and identifying illegal immigrants in Manipur. On the third day today, the 11th March of the ongoing 7th Assembly session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly, Chief Minister Y. Khemchand tabled the Annual Report 2025 to 2026, Manipur Lok Yukta Annual Report 2023 to 2024, and Manipur Information Commission Economic Survey Manipur 2024 to 2025. During today's session, which commenced from 11 a.m., Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Shatyabrata presented various demands of different departments of the state government for discussions. Today, during the ongoing Parliament session, Rajya Sabha Maharaja Leshyamba Sanatjauba voiced for identification and deportation of illegal Myanmaris and Bangladeshis from Manipur before initiation of census and delimitation process. MP Leshyamba Sanatjauba drew the attention of Union Home Minister to initiate steps for identification and deportation process prior to the exercise of census and delimitation in the strife-torn state Manipur, which continues to reel under turmoil and unrest since 3rd May 2023. As part of the ongoing campaign of Just and Fair Delimitation (JFD), volunteers of JFD today launched its aggressive democratic protest. JFD volunteers reportedly locked the Manipur State Academy of Training at Takyal under Imphal West District. It may be mentioned that JFD have been demanding implementation of NRC or a like mechanism for identification and deportation of illegal immigrants from the state Manipur prior to initiation of exercise for census and delimitation. The 16th death anniversary of Manipur BJP unit's first president, late Laimem Raghumani Sarma, was held today, the 11th March, at Nagamapalkhwai, Brahmapur, Krishnachandra Mandap. The observation, which was organized by late Laimem Raghumani Sharma Charitable Trust, was attended by Home Minister Govindas Konthojam, Uripok Assembly Constituency MLA Khairakpam Raghumani, Lamlai Assembly Constituency MLA KH Ibomsa, trustees and family members of late Raghumani Sharma. It may be mentioned that late L. Raghumani Sharma also served as the first state secretary in charge of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS). Security forces have arrested 6 militants belonging to various prescribed outfits from 3 districts of Manipur, police said on March 11. According to a police statement, 3 active cadres of the banned People's Liberation Army were apprehended on Monday from the stretch between BP 75 and BP 80 in Tengnopal district. A member of the outlawed People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Progressive or Pre-Pak Pro was arrested from his residence at Tautong Mamanglekai in Imphal West District on March 9, the statement said. Another cadre of the same organization was also apprehended from Moray in Tengnopal District on March 10. In a separate operation, security forces arrested an active member of the banned Kangleipak Communist Party military faction or KCP-MFL from Kurai Tangzam locality in Imphal West District on March 10. The organizers of the 8th state-level Thado Cultural Festival 2026 on March 10 clarified that the upcoming event in Imphal has no connection with activities planned by groups operating under the name Thado INP General Headquarters in Kangpokpi District. In a press statement, the organizing committee under the aegis of ELITETV Manipur (TIM) said the festival, scheduled to be held on April 7 in Imphal, is the official cultural celebration of the Thado community and is entirely separate from programs illicitly being conducted by unmandated groups using the name Thado INP General Headquarters. The committee said any further activities organized under the banner of Thado INP GHQ are unrelated to the official festival. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Assam on March 13 and 14 to inaugurate development projects worth over Rs 10,000 crore and distribute land rights certificate patas to members of the tea garden community. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced on Tuesday, the 10th March. At a press conference in Guwahati, Sarma outlined the PM's itinerary, which includes public meetings in Kokrajhar, Guwahati and Silchar. Congress Deputy Leader in Lok Sabha Gaurav Gogoi accused the government of creating a constitutional vacuum by not electing a deputy speaker, allowing a panel chair nominated by Speaker Om Birla to preside over a no-confidence motion against him. Gaurav Gogoi argued this undermines Article 96, which prevents the Speaker from chairing proceedings on his own removal to ensure neutrality. By failing to elect a deputy speaker, the government has created a constitutional vacuum, now allowing a panel chairperson nominated by the very speaker under challenge to preside defeats the whole purpose of Article 96, he posted on X. Air India will introduce a phased increase in fuel surcharges across its domestic and international network. The airline announced, citing a sharp rise in jet fuel prices driven by the Iran-US war. The new fuel surcharge will be implemented in 3 phases. Phase 1, which applies to all new bookings made from March 12, will see domestic passengers and those flying within SAARC region charge an additional Rs 399. Passengers traveling to Middle East regions will face a $10 surcharge, while the surcharge for Southeast Asia will rise to $60. Travel to Africa will see a rise to $90. Air India said it regret the move but described it as unavoidable. The West Asia conflict is knocking at restaurant doors across India, with the looming threat of commercial LPG shortage forcing eateries to innovate quickly or face a shutdown. As the expanding Iran-US war disrupts global fuel lifelines, including India's LPG supplies, the Indian Union government has prioritized domestic cooking gas supply to households, leading to a supply crunch for hotels and restaurants which use commercial LPG. The prospect of shuttered kitchens, lost jobs, and many people dependent on outside food, forced to think about where they will get their next meal, is very real, said industry insiders as they prepare to tackle the crisis. That's all for now. Tune in again at 6 p.m. Primetime ELITETV English News for more updates. Thank you for watching.